Alright, welcome back everybody. We're gonna still take a break from the American locks because my lock came in today. So as always with this channel, we have to do a little bit of talking. If you wanted to see the picking and don't care about any of this, what I'm about to read off of it, what I'm about to tell about, then skip forward a few minutes. I'm sorry, I have to be thorough and I like to explain things. That's one thing I see. I'm not saying a lot of other pickers don't do it. A lot of them do, and they do a great job. I just want to be thorough for myself. You know, this is how I want to make my videos, my locks, because maybe I'm saying wrong information and somebody could correct me so I can learn, because I can't be typing on Reddit and other forums all the time trying to get the right answers, because it aggravates me to type. I like that quick response. Anyway, that's besides the point. So I always talk about, I always go to hardware stores, or when I'm out or on eBay, I always look for a lock. You know, if it's a master that I've never picked that looks good or intriguing, I'm gonna get it. If it's a different lock, like we picked that C Choice lock a few videos back. I saw that at Ace Hardware. I've never seen it anywhere else, and it had spool pins in it. $7. Had the Yale keyway, which made it nice and a little, tight to get in, and it had spool pins, so you just never know what you're gonna get. And I know with this lock, this is Ace Hardware, I know they're gonna have spool pins, and that's one of the reasons I bought it, because what the package says. But it reminded me of this True Value lock. I picked this, if you go back to like one of my first 5 videos, this is under there, and I was very surprised that this had serrated spool pins, like the American version, but bigger for, that's a regular size core in there, not a padlock size. And I've never seen those. I don't even know where to buy them, and I would love to own regular size. I have hundreds of them for American locks. One of my favorite pins. Anyway, so the lock came today, and we're gonna make this video. Hopefully it all goes smoothly. Ace makes some tough locks. I have 50mm locks that give me a pain in the butt because of the bitting on the keys. But alright, so I'm guessing this is older. The package looks older. I don't have any Ace Hardwares down here in Richmond where I'm at. We have one, and I've already bought all the locks. They do sell a couple American locks. That's the only store besides the locksmith that I have found Americans at down here, at least. But I bought all the locks that were going to be anything that looked intriguing to me. They didn't have too much to choose from. They had a good selection, we'll go over those at another time, but they definitely didn't have this. And this is an Ace padlock, hardened steel, rekeyable to your house key, obviously, padlock. And it's big. It's almost like the True Value size, and that's what caught my attention, I think. So it says Ace lifetime warranty, satisfaction guaranteed, Ace promise, premium 2-inch, removable cylinder, removable, replaceable shackle, and anti. That's what got me right there, is the anti-pick. If you can make it out down there, it's kind of hard to see. It says anti-pick pins, and I love those words. There's a close-up of it, the packaging. On the back, what do we have here? Ask us how we can rekey this lock to match your Schlage style house key. Important pinning information printed inside this card. That's cool. Don't see too much about pinning up your own keys and all that. We can rekey this padlock to work with your house key. It says that 10 times on here. Features. Okay, let's read these features. Solid steel body, chrome plated, case hardened steel double locking shackle, as with most locks. Stainless steel locking balls, ball bearings, won't be able to shim it. Removable, rekeyable cylinder, which is a blessing because I have great ideas for this lock. Anti-pick spool pins. Now see, on the front it doesn't say spool pins. I figured it was going to be spool pins, but with that sentence right here being read, the other lock that should be here probably tomorrow, between tomorrow and Friday, it said something like that but different, and I can't wait to show you. If it doesn't say it on the end, because I only bought one lock. If I bought the whole block of if I bought the whole box of 6 locks, it says it on the outside of that, but I'll show you a listing. And I may buy them because they're so cheap, and depending on what's in there, and maybe do a couple giveaways with those. I think they're going to be good locks. don't want to buy it till I open it up on camera and play with it. But anyway, stainless steel springs, so that's gonna make that should make picking a little harder, just a tad bit. The lifting, they probably give a little bit more force, if I'm not mistaken. And then 2-inch body width, uses ACE 50243 key blank. Alright, so enough talking. Let's go ahead and see if we can't get this thing cut open. I wish there was like a year on here. Like a when it was manufactured type thing. Oh, is there? It says copyright 2002 down here in the bottom, so I know most of y'all don't care. You're like, man, just pick the fucking thing, but I care. You know, at the end of the day, I like having these videos to help people, but it's kind of cool. Like, I'll go back and watch, you know, my what I've picked. Ooh, okay, that bidding. Not bad, Ace. Not bad. Better than I thought it was going to be. It's the problem with not being able to, you know, it's probably going to be harder to get it out the freaking package. I don't want to destroy this packaging just yet. Oh, that's the pinning card. That's what I wanted to see. Maybe not. So, important pinning information printed inside this card. What card? That's awesome. Oh my goodness, that is really cool. Okay, so I've never seen this. This has to be older. So it's like a diagram. Turn 180 to the home position and remove key. Reinsert the key and rotate. I'm reading this through the viewfinder. And rotate slightly in both directions. Remove key. And that's in Spanish. Insert cylinder into the lock body and secure. And then there's a key cut decoder. That's awesome. That is freaking awesome. I'm sorry, guys. Before we get to the picking, I have to see. Oh yeah, my key decoder's in here. It says repitting tools. Ooh, that lock is nice. Okay, so here goes one of my key decoders. This is a Schlage only. Mine's backwards. Well, I guess we can still look at that. Yeah, there's this little. SC1. This is for any Schlage. Boom. That's cool. That's really cool. They give you a little decoder on the back. I'm gonna keep that. That's really nifty. Nifty. God, I sound like an old person. Alright, let's get to the picking. Sorry, guys. I just can't help myself. Wow. Beautiful lock. Big ass hole, though. Look at the size of that hole. I mean, here's the quick set one. The quick set one, or yeah, the true value. God damn, that's like a meteor. So I bet you any money we can go ahead and just swap those cylinders too. Look at that. They're, ooh man, that's a beautiful lock. I'm loving it. $10, I think this was? No, 20. The true value was 20 also. Alright, so let's go ahead and this is the Schlage SC1 keyway. That wording looks pretty good, almost like an official Schlage, so probably have to pick from the left hand. Yeah, I'm looking at it backwards, the left hand side. So here's our bidding. Not bad for out the box. Not bad. You got that high pin. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. Pin 3 is up higher, so shouldn't be too bad though. But man, that key is beautifully cut too. And the cut is 46367. Wow. I'm really happy with this lock so far. Does have ball bearings, interestingly. it does use a socket screw, Allen head, you know, instead of a regular screw. Still smells brand new. I know I'm a weirdo. Alright, let's get this thing picked, guys. I'm excited. I'm really excited for this. After all that talking, I need a drink. Go figure. And of course we're gonna gut it. So I don't know, I couldn't figure out why my videos were so long. Now it's because I realize I won't shut the fuck up. You guys are like, yeah, this is stupid. I just can't help it, guys. I really do, with all intent, try to be helpful. So, alright, let's go ahead and, since it says anti-pick spool pins, let's try bottom. I don't think I'm going to have, I guess we need to zoom in a little bit. Yeah, it's working, it's too hard to control it since I can go top, so 50 thousandths, no doubt, no doubt. Alright, we're in a false set. Let's look for a counter rotation. Okay, I think that was another pin. You know what, let me try my... my 18 thousandths. Give me a little bit more wiggle room in here. Light tension sensors. Okay, I can't feel a binding pin. It's interesting. There it is. I just need something a little smaller. That pick is just... Well, we're gonna get this. Okay, chill, man. Hate all these texts. I'm just kidding. I have no idea who he even is. I mean, I'm sure it's the wife, but let's see. sound. Doo doo. Man, I cannot find. Damn. It's like everything was gunked up in there. Okay, there's our full set. Dude, this thing is mangling my picks. God. Oh, I'm getting mad. Wow, man. It's embarrassing. I wonder if I'm like up on that first pin. Dude, not a single pin is binding after I get it in that full set. Like, where is it? I mean, it's bending the shit out of my picks. Oh, I'm not gonna break all my picks for this lock. That might have been it. Back in a full set. Dude, look at this shit. One of my worst picks ever. I can feel it now. Oh, Jesus Christ. That was a nightmare, man. It might be them steel springs after all. Wow. Huh. Like, I feel embarrassed. So it was kind of an important text. Well, after about 5 minutes of trying, what feels like, we got it. I feel like I just mangled half my picks. It will stay. I'm glad I got it all in one take. I hate when I get a new lock and it kills me that I can't get it open on video, so like fresh out the package. Alright, so we need some Allen wrenches. because I'm not sure which. You know what? I wonder if it's going to be the same size as the Master Pro Series. Nope, just a next, should be the next size up. So that would be nope. Alright, let's get this cord out of here. Thank you for your patience. I'm sure this video is going to be 25 minutes long. Wow. Wow, that's really grimy. Again, though, beautiful lock. I'm very happy with it. Just a little bit bigger in width than the true value. So the true value is probably, what, 1.75 in width. This is really grimy, so let me put on some gloves. I don't have any napkins or something. You always gotta have everything, man. I got a whole drawer. I'll have to show you guys my whole setup. I mean, it's not the greatest, but for the little bit of space I had to work with, probably got a couple grand worth of stuff now for this hobby, and it's just like, whoa, where's my money going? Alright, oh, sorry, I'm grabbing this toilet paper I found, trying to get some of this oil off, grease, I mean. So this is gonna act just like the quick set one, if I'm not mistaken. You're gonna have to push down that retaining pin, which we're gonna zoom up and show you, just in case you've never seen this process. You can see it right on this side, or right below, or yeah, right there. See it? That little pin. So what I use, keep it unlocked still. I just take a pick. Normally I would use my plug follower. Oh shit, don't want to do that. Now look at that. Don't want to spoil the surprise, but if you've already counted, pinned up with 5, drilled for 6. That's awesome. That's just like the quick set. There it goes. So, yeah, it's always something, guys. Always. I don't even know where that shit went. Alright, it don't matter. We'll get it after the video. Don't want to keep you guys waiting forever. Okay, so take this, just set it up there. Take that's your retaining pin, just in case you don't know. Take that out. Be careful, because there's a spring in there. See if I can show if you can see it. Because I know there's quite a few people actually who watch my channel who have never rekeyed a lock this way. So, maybe it won't focus. See if you can't see it. See that shiny thing in the hole? That's the spring. It's really hard to see, but that outline of the circle, that's the top of the spring. So all I do is I have this little sparrows mat, which a lot of people have the bigger ones, but with my area this is fine. just tap that thing out. Sometimes like that, it's already in there nice and tight, but I just want to be safe. Alright, now all I'm going to do is, I don't think I need a plug fall or a shim, so I'm just going to wing it without a shim. Damn, it's freshly oiled still. I got oil on everything. Alright, now for the fun part. Let's see what was in this bad boy. Okay, it definitely is drilled for a 6th pin. I'm sure most of you already counted that on the bottom of the core. So, okay, they are regular. God, man, there's oil on all of this. Keeping 2, keeping 3, keeping 1, keeping 5. They're all just regular Schlage pins. Nothing crazy. Not bad, but I thought it was going to be a little bit more challenging. Well, actually it was. Because of all that fuckery going on in there. I'm going to have to wash everything after this. Alright, let's go ahead and see what we got inside. Driver pin 1. What? Are you kidding me, dude? Where the hell did that go? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you... I can't believe this, yo. I just can't. What was I just talking about? I mean, y'all saw me. I didn't take this apart. It looked just like that. Boom. Another full size serrated spool. I'm buying more of these locks. Wow. These are one of my favorite pins. I don't know what it is. Because they're not homemade. Wow. I'm just in shock. Where are my other ones? If I'm not mistaken, I just have to pull it out now. I just never personally have seen that. Alright, here's the... I got a little random box of pins. I got pins everywhere, springs. I got thousands of pins over there. I think half of these are actually the colored Schlage pins. I give a lot of these out of my practice locks. I just saw them. So, when I took apart that True Value lock, those were the pins that were in there. Serrated spools. These are the full size. Those are full size pins. I could rekey my deadbolt right now on my door. Schlage lock. Wow. That's awesome. And, okay, that's not solid steel, spring though. Wow, I'm sorry. I'm buying another one of these. And plain number 2 is a plain driver. I wonder if it's because this light's on. Wow, I'm not getting a lot of focusing. I hear a fly. He's dead. And another. Oh, that was the spring for number 3. But pin 2 is another, or driver pin 3 is a serrated spool. Wow, guys. Trying to get, there it is. The second spring was also copper. That other spring we just showed before this was the third. All the same size. Ha 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 ha. And another serrated spool. Anti-pick spool pins. Now I really can't wait till this other lot comes. Yeah, I'm buying another one of these. Shit, I'm gonna buy them all up. Regular spring still. Let's take this out from the back. This one shouldn't, if it you know, I just knew it was gonna be like this True Value, even though they're 2 different companies. I really wasn't expecting that though. Yep, there was only one standard. The rest were serrated spools. So maybe that's why I had a little bit of trouble, because I wasn't anticipating the little serrations. Wow. Wow. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Turn this light back on. Get a thumbnail here. Wow. I know this video is long. One of my favorite personal videos by Best. This blows out my Americans that I wanted to do. So, wow. Just wow. Alright, guys, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this. I need to kill this fly. I'm going to make more videos. And I got a really great detailed video. I'm not going to announce the lock on it. Hey, we're still doing that giveaway on the first watch locks. I had to make the practice locks true pool. I still need your contact information. I'm going to give you a week, man. I'm not trying to be rude, but I replied to you personally. I've said it in a couple videos. I'll give it a week because I know people are busy. If I don't hear from you, then I'm going to give it to somebody else. I think that's fair. Man, we'll see. Definitely won't do it before a week, but anyway, we got more giveaways, man. Just keep subscribing. We got all the first watch locks, which pick just like the 1100, but better, almost. If not the same. Alright, wow. I just can't believe this. Wow, we're at 31 minutes, but this video, awesome. That was not in there, this spool. Awesome stuff, guys. Alright, thank you for watching. I'm going to have another one up here shortly. And I got a great detailed video on one of these side security locks. I'm going to make a very good detailed video that I have not seen on the internet yet. Well, I'm going to try at least. Alright, got to cut this off. Thanks, guys. Pick up one of these locks if you want a good lock. That's another thing I didn't say. If you have basic knowledge of spools and serrateds, you know, you picked a few, you could definitely go ahead and pick this. It's not going to be that challenging, and it feels really good. And if you take these fuckers out like I'm gonna, and I'm gonna replace them with my just regular spools, probably like with these guys, and I'm gonna put those in that bag that I showed you, wherever the hell it went. Alright, guys, thank you so much. Bye.